Mike, be honest, are you house poor?
What's that, like being broke but with a mortgage?
Pretty much. Your mortgage, taxes, and repairs eat up so much of your paycheck, you've got nothing left for, life.
Oh, so that's why my dinner last night was toast.
Exactly. 28% of homeowners say their mortgage is their biggest financial stress. 41% worry about repairs. You in that group?
I plead the fifth. How do I fix it?
3 things. Don't overbuy. Stick to the 28-36 rule. No more than 28% of your income on housing. Have a maintenance fund. Save 1 to 2% of your home's value yearly because stuff will break. Use the 5-year rule. If you can't afford to stay put for at least 5 years, you're risking a loss if you need to sell early, especially with closing costs.
So basically, buy smart, plan ahead, and don't let my house rob me blind?
Bingo. Otherwise, hope you like toast.